In this lab, you will be performing the memory interference test. This computerized memory interference test, referred to here as the MIT, was designed in 3 versions: picture, word, and audio. If you agree to do this test, you will contribute real data to a database, which you will later use to formulate and test your hypothesis. You will be doing a t-test analysis using the web-based interface shown here. The memory test measures timed memory responses, which can be dependent on things like caffeine intake, sleep duration, hours since lunch, time of day, gender, or many other parameters which will be requested for input during this test. Please read all the instructions given in the MIT. There are several parts to the test, as shown here, and you need to complete it to the end, otherwise all the data will be lost. The test itself will take about 10 to 15 minutes and is self-explanatory. However, here are some guidelines. Hitting the spacebar or mouse click in the window gets you to the next screen. Please use your index finger only for all of the following tests. This is very important to standardize this test. Since the test is timed, please work as quickly as possible. After the initial instructions and settings, you will be presented with 4 sets of demographic questions. This part is very important. Here we acquire the different parameters you can then use in building your hypothesis. So please be honest and sincere when you are answering these questions. Please answer all of the questions. If you don't want to answer some of them, please indicate undisclosed or non-applicable. The demographic questions are followed by the MIT. Each version of the MIT picture, word, or audio consists of 5 groups. The presented items of each group are followed by 50 items for recall. Hitting the spacebar will start the recall, after which your input will be required as indicated by the red background. Please be alert. At this point, clicking the mouse will not start the next screen. Please use the left and right arrow on the keypad and make sure to only use your index finger. Have your index finger hover over the arrow keypad and then hit the spacebar to start. For group 4, please use the number keypad, 1, 2, 3, or 0. It is very important here that you make sure that the numlock key is on. If during group 4 the program does not respond to the 0, 1, 2, or 3 keys, then your numlock key is not on. And again, please use your index finger only. At the end of the reaction test, please don't quit the window. It is very important that you hit the spacebar one last time, and then, and only then, after you received the message that the data was successfully submitted to the server, you can quit the program by clicking the exit button. Most importantly, have fun with the test.